Good evening friends. In this video we will learn how to make an HTML presentation using LibreOffice. Now one might ask, why should we learn this? There's a good reason for it. Most of the presentations that we make in LibreOffice or in Microsoft Office, if we have to run them on any other computer, we require the entire LibreOffice suite or the Microsoft Office suite. Now, it may not be available in many of the computers. Well, if you make an HTML presentation, it can run practically on any computer which has a browser. So let us learn how to make this presentation. Open LibreOffice. I have already made a presentation, so I shall open it. As you can see, my presentation has in total 14 slides. We have to go to File, we have to go to Export and choose a folder where we wish to save the presentation. Now in this case, I would like to choose Demonstration as the folder, and in the bottom select HTML. Now there is already a presentation saved here, so let me delete it. So what I can do is cancel this window now, open demonstration folder, select all the elements in this and delete it off. Now again go back to my presentation, go to File, go to Export, select the demonstration file, folder, go down and select HTML document and click Save. Now this opens a window where I can use the pre-existing HTML pages that I have made as a template, or I can create a new template. So I will go in for a new design to demonstrate. Click Next, take standard HTML format and unselect Create Title Page and Show Notes. Click Next. You may select title page if you want. You will have to then create a title page. For now, I have just deselected it off. Click Next. Now the images, that is the images which will be shown on the HTML page. Which format do you want them? PNG, GIF or JPG? My personal preference is PNG and I take the highest resolution, that is 1024 by 768 pixels. Now there are no sounds that I want while the slide advances, so I am going to unselect it, click Next. Now here I can select the buttons that I want to run the presentation. My presentation background is white, therefore I am going to select the white buttons. Click Next. Now it asks you what color scheme do you want. That is, I will take Apply Color Scheme from the document. One can use the browser colors also, and one can use custom colors also. When we choose custom colors, we can go to all these buttons that we have, that is text, hyperlink, active link, visited link, and we can set the colors for them. But for now, to make this demonstration straightforward, simple and quick, I take Apply Color Scheme from the document and I click on Create. Now I have to give my HTML design a name, so I gave it piping underscore demo and I click OK. Well, we are done. Now let's close this presentation and let's go to the demonstration folder. Click Demonstration and there we can see all our elements of the HTML page are ready. Now what if we want to run this presentation? All we have to do is select the main HTML file, that is piping process engineering HTML here. Now these files, that is text1, text2, text3, they are all the text files, and image, they are all the image files, right? The main page is piping process engineering HTML. So double click on that, and there, as you can see, our HTML presentation is now ready to play. The first page is already there. Now if I want to move forward, all I have to do is click the forward button. If I want to go to the last page, I have to go to this button and it will go to the last page. If I wish to go to the first page, I have to click here and it goes to the first page. I can forward using these buttons and go back using this button. Now, isn't this a great way of presentation? Now this entire folder can be copied, that is this entire folder which you have, that is demonstration. It can be copied in a pen drive, and you can take this pen drive and run the presentation in any computer, be it a Linux machine or be it a Windows machine. It should only have a browser. If it's an Android based operating system also, all it should be capable of doing is running a browser. Now you can neatly run your presentation. Well, if you want to zoom it up, all you have to do is press Ctrl and then afterwards scroll the mouse button. So it zooms in, and if you want, you can even zoom it out. You can zoom all your presentations depending on how you wish to show people your presentations. Now, if you double click on this button AA, you will get all your presentation texts. So you can even play the text if you want to. So that was all about how to make a presentation in HTML using LibreOffice. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Subscribe to this channel and be sure I should be coming with more videos on online learning, how to do online learning, how to teach online, what are the best presentation technologies that we can have for online learning teaching, and what are the hardware equipments required to do it. Do subscribe my channel. You will surely get a lot of information.